Hey everyone, so in today's video, my daughter and I are going to replace a reverse lamp on this 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's a pretty easy job by the look of it, just needs some Allen wrenches to start with. So we're going to go ahead and first take off the lens cover and see what we find. Okay, so when you pop the hatch up, there are two Allen head screws in there. It looks like they're, I think, maybe 5/16 Allen head screws. This bottom one I actually had to take out already. It was stripped, and so we had to drill it out. We have to put a different one in there, but up here, Lucy's going to start and just take that one out, and we'll see what we get. Keep going. Okay, so now those top and bottom screws are out. Lucy's going to go ahead and pull the taillight off, and we'll see what we get inside for wiring harnesses and bolt connections. Just going to grab it there and pull out towards you a little bit. There you go. And so it looks like we have, okay, that one you're holding there is the one that fell, that one's actually, it fell out. So maybe it's not actually burnt out, it might have just fallen out of place. But these go in, just you put them in, and then you kind of quarter turn to lock them in, where you can see how these slots are aligned here. So put it in and turn it a third of the way. Well, let's check this one and see if it's still working. If it's working, then you don't have to worry about replacing it. And if it's bad, then we'll go ahead and put a new bulb in there. Okay, so our light bulb actually wasn't bad. It just fell out for some reason. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it back in. If you were replacing the bulb, you just, pull it out of the socket here. It looks like it's just friction fit in there from what I can tell. And then slap the new one in there. In our case, we're gonna put it in and then give it about a third of a turn clockwise to lock it into the housing. Go ahead and do that. Okay, nice and tight. It goes in with that stem kind of vertical, and then you turn it third of a turn there, or less than a quarter turn, and it locks it in. And then go ahead and put the taillight assembly back together. It should have some sort of fins or some way to kind of, oh, you see right there, it's got a little clip that goes, that little stem goes in, and that holds it in place there. So you see if there's one on the top or bottom as well, on the bottom as well, and get those lined up. Okay, that looks pretty good. I heard the pops, and then just put the screws back in, top and bottom, and that would be it for this job. So thanks for the help, Lucy. That's how you change a reverse or backup light on a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. Thanks for watching.